Good evening everyone. Today I am explaining about high-speed table fan. So the sweep size is 400 mm, blade is PP material, and this is guard ring PP material, and this is 120 number spoke 1.2 mm front guard, and same as back guard. So this is show cap. So this is base, this is 2-pin power cord, 0.5 square mm, IC power plug cord, length is 1.5 meter length. So this is the performance, coming to the performance. So at third step, RPM is 2100 RPM, at wattage is 120 watts, and air delivery is 90 cubic meter per minute. So second step is 2000 RPM, 115 wattage, and first step is 1900 RPM, 110 wattage. So this is a small electrical performance, and this is having 30 degrees right side, 30 degrees left side. So it will be rotate. For this purpose we are using gearbox. Inside the motor we can use gearbox. This is upside means on position, downside means off position. So if it's on means 30 degrees right side, 30 degrees left side. So per a minute around 7.5 times will rotate the fan. And this is small explanation about high speed table fan. Thank you.